Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to add space to the system reserved partition using the AOMEI Partition Assistant. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to add more space to your system reserved partition using the AOMEI Partition Assistant, you can go ahead and find that system reserved partition inside of the AOMEI Partition Assistant. Then you can right click on that partition and you can choose this option to resize or move the partition. It's going to open this new window, and now you'll need to select this option that says assign free space from partition, and then you need to go to this drop down menu here and you need to select the partition on that disk that you want to get the free space from. So in my case, I'm going to choose the external 2 partition on this drive. And now you'll see I have 50 gigs of free space that I can add to the system reserved partition right here. Now to add that new space, I can either add the space up here by typing it, or I can use this slider here and then click and drag to make that system reserved partition a little bit bigger. But you'll see if I use this slider, it immediately jumps to 5 gigs and that's too much. So I'm just going to go ahead and type, instead of 50 megs, I'll just make this 500 megabytes. And then you can also check this option that'll let you use the new method to resize or move a partition in the fastest and safest way. So once you're happy with the new size of the system reserved partition, just go ahead and click on OK. Then it's going to go to the pending actions up here. You can go ahead and click on apply, which will open this new window. And then you can click on proceed and then just click on yes. And now you'll just need to wait for it to finish. Now this process can take quite some time, so you'll just need to be patient, but once it's finished, you'll have some more space on your system reserved partition. And I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll talk to you guys soon.